भी नहीं है। तो इस संजीवनी गाड़ी के थ्रू जो ये लोग हैं जो गाड़ी में वैक्सीन लगाएंगे, अब आप जैसे बता रहे थे कि 1 लाख लोग तक इम्पैक्ट होंगे, ये जो मिथ्स हैं अराउंड वैक्सीन वो भी हटा सकते हैं। अब ये भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होगा इस इनिशिएटिव के थ्रू।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल रिधिमा, और ये ऑब्जेक्टिव ही। अब देखिए, ये इस समय सबसे पहले मैं तस्वीर अपने दर्शकों को दिखाना चाहूँगा कि अब ये फ्लैग ऑफ होने जा रहा है। जो संजीवनी है वो गुंटूर के लिए निकल रही है और ये लोगों के जीवन में एक संजीवनी का काम करे, लोगों को जो है उनको उनको इस महामारी से बचा सके। तो उस ऑब्जेक्टिव से ये देखिए, ये जो संजीवनी है वो रवाना हुई है और लोगों को, जो खास तौर पे लोग हैं जो इस पूरी महामारी, इस पैंडेमिक को से लोगों को निजात दिलाना चाहते हैं, उनको काफ़ी उम्मीदें हैं। जहाँ तक आपने रिधिमा जो ये सवाल किया, ये बात सच है कि जो हेजिटेशन है लोगों के अंदर, जो वो एक बड़ी समस्या है। लोग सोच रहे हैं कि कहीं वैक्सीन लगा के उनको कोई परेशानी ना हो जाए, वो बुखार ना आ जाए। लेकिन अगर ये बुखार आता भी है किसी को, वो सिर्फ क्षणिक है, थोड़े समय के लिए है, और उसके बाद उनके शरीर में एंटीबॉडी डेवलप हो जाएगा। और जाहिर तौर पर इस महामारी को ख़त्म करने के लिए यही एक तरीका है जिसको अपनाना होगा, और लोग धीरे धीरे इस बात को रिधिमा अब समझने भी लगे हैं।
Okay, Sanjay, thanks for getting us those details. We can now see the Sanjeevani Gadi, which has now been flagged off as part of the last leg from Guntur. We also have with us Dr. Syed Sami, who is the COO of Apollo Hospitals from Visakhapatnam. Doctor, good to have you on the broadcast with us, and thank you for also taking our time. As we were discussing with our colleagues, this really is the need of the hour. The vaccination is the only magic wand, so to say, to protect ourselves and our loved ones from this pandemic. Talk to us about why do you feel that we should have more initiatives like this, like the initiative called Sanjeevani, a Shot of Life?
Namaste all. I am Dr. Sami, COO, Apollo Hospitals, Vizag. First of all, I would congratulate Network 18 for initiating such a wonderful program to communicate entire population in India. During this pandemic season, last couple of months, we have noticed very high number of affected people. Many people lost their beloved family members, friends. To stop this, to make everybody happy, the main important thing is vaccination. Everybody has to get vaccinated, and most of the people living in villages who needs awareness and proactiveness to come forward and take their vaccinations.
Sir, we also
As you know,
yeah.
Apollo 24/7 is working 24/7 and reaching everybody, and 80% of the villages are reached by Apollo. And also we are conducting vaccination program in every place of the country, and it will ensure that everybody will reduce their at least disease burden, and they will not go into ICU and critical care condition if they get vaccinated. So 98% of the population will get benefited by having vaccination.
Yeah.
That's why we insist to all Indian citizens, be responsible, be self-disciplined, maintain self-distance, wear the mask, and the most important thing is vaccination.
Right.
Please come forward to take vaccination, and we are ready to do this wonderful program to make everybody healthy and make India healthy.
Absolutely, sir. We all are in this together. We also want to understand from you, sir, what was your reason? Why did you think it was important for you also to come and be a part of this campaign?
It's really the communication is very important, which is the lacking in Indian population, especially villages. So I'm very happy to participate in this program because you are doing a wonderful program through Sanjeevani and penetrating to the villages, remote areas, so that we can educate the people and motivate the people to come forward for vaccination. So vaccination is the preventive measure rather than corrective measure. I always believe in prevention than curing. So prevention always gives a better health and also less financial burden and more happy family members. That's why I really appreciate Network 18 for participating, making me to participate in this program. Thank you very much for
Okay.
inviting me in this program.
Okay, so we leave the conversation there. We appreciate your time. So that was the final leg, the last journey of the Sanjeevani Gadi. We saw it being flagged off from Guntur. This, of course, is a word of advice that we give every day. If you're eligible, please go ahead and take that vaccine shot. We are slipping into a very short break. Lots more after we come back.